If you're watching this, you're most likely one of the following three types of quantity surveyors. 1. You're a QS who's looking at chartership and needs to find effective and reliable formal CPD. 2. You're an experienced QS who's looking to expand your knowledge and become more competent in your workplace. Number 3. You're still learning the trade and want to increase your knowledge. At Metroun Learning, we've helped over 15,000 quantity surveyors worldwide and have created a platform that will tick each box. You will have access to a vast collection of lectures, reinforced with quizzes and progress logs, with new courses added monthly. Metroun Learning is a formally structured, objective-driven, and independently assessed tool, ensuring any course undertaken is classed as formal CPD towards your chartership. At present, we have over 20 hours of CPD available, with an additional hour updated every month. On top of that, we offer a multitude of extras that are free to members of Metroun Learning. Our cutting-edge construction-trained AI, Metroun AI, acts as an invaluable asset, emulating a dedicated commercial manager who can offer expert advice and support at the click of a button. The QS Dictionary provides easy-to-understand content on a plethora of relevant terms and abbreviations related to our industry. Our advanced construction calculators are powerful tools that seamlessly assist you with estimation, and our collection of industry-ready Excel templates can provide you with the confidence that what you're providing to your clients or subcontractors is correct. The big question, of course, is how much is all of this? An individual course on the NEC website can range from £200 to £2,000. An instructor coming into your offices can cost upwards of £800 per day. Metroun Learning is only £179.99 per year. That's over 20 hours of formal CPD, as well as all the other extras, for less than £3.50 per week. If you're ready to take your career to the next level, sign up today.